All right, welcome back. Let's go deeper. After that introduction, let's solve some questions. Cartesian complex numbers. All right, let's solve question one. We have to look for the values of x. Or the question can say what are the roots of the equation. All right, we'll be using the formula method. That's x equal minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Right, let's start with question one. A in question one is 1. That's the coefficient. B is 2 and C is 5, which is the constant. Now substituting this value into this equation, it will be minus 2 plus or minus square root of 2 squared minus 4 times 1 times 5 over 2 times 1. Alright? So this will give us minus 2 plus or minus 4 minus 5 over 2, which is minus 2 plus or minus square root of minus 1 over 2. So anytime you have a negative value, square root of a negative value, just know that you are resolving into complex number. So not to waste time, this is minus 2 plus or minus the square root of 1 is I over 2. You have a problem with that, you can check the first video. I have done introduction concerning the square root of a negative value. Alright, so the values of x are minus 2 plus I over 2, or minus 2 minus I over 2. That's the final answer. Alright, let me solve question 2. Question 2, we have x squared is 4 equals 0. So this is x squared. If plus 4 goes to the other side, it becomes negative 4. So equal negative 4. The square root both sides. The square root cancels the square. So we have x equal plus or minus the square root of minus 4. Alright. So the values of x are x equal plus square root of minus 4 or minus the square root of minus 4. What is the square root of minus 4? You can check it, break it down. But the answer is 2i or minus 2i. Yeah, so the square root of minus 4 is actually 2i. I know some of you are like, how do we get 2i? Okay, let me just break it down here. The square root of minus 4 is square root of 4 and square root of minus 1. 4 times minus 1 is minus 4. Alright, the square root of 4 is 2. The square root of minus 1 is I. So the square root of minus 4 is either 2i or we can say the square root of 4 is either 2 or minus 2. Understand? From the introduction, actually, I explained this better. So, alright, we have 2 more questions. You can pause the video and then try it. I believe you've done that already. Okay, now let's solve the question. Okay, question 3. Please, if you didn't pause it, please, you can pause it and solve it. Try it. Right, it's simple. Just follow this method. And if this method is your problem, you can use completing the square method. Alright, let's go to question 3. We have 2x squared plus 3x plus 5 equal 0. Right, A equal to B equal 3, C equal 5. So it becomes x minus b, that becomes minus 3 plus or minus square root of 3 squared minus 4 times 2 times 5 over 2 times 2. So this is minus 3 plus or minus 3 squared is 9 minus 4 times 2 8 8 times 5 40 over 4. I'm correct. 4 times 2 times 5. Alright. Yeah, it's correct. So we have minus 3 plus or minus the square root of minus 31 over 4. Okay. So what is the square root of minus 31? I love leaving my answer in short form. So I'm not punching the calculator for square root of 31. So let me show you this. This is square root of 31 times square root of minus 1. I believe you understand that now. Just taking out the minus out. So this is square root of 31i. The square root of minus 1 is what I. So my values for x are minus 3 plus square root of 31i over 4 or x equal minus 3 minus square root of 31i over 4. You can punch the value for the square root of 31 and have the decimal point, and then you can simplify it further. But note, let's come to which question precisely? Yeah, minus 2 plus I. We leave it like that. You can't say minus 2 plus I is minus 2I. It's mathematically wrong. So minus 2 plus I, we leave it like that. Just like this too. Minus 3 plus square root of 31i. We leave it like that. Then if you want to have a decimal value for square root of 31, you are free to do that. Alright. Question 4. I will leave it unsolved. If you've solved it and you want me to verify your answer, you can drop it at the comment side below. Okay, let's go further.